Friends, in this video, I will show you how to copy table from PDF to Excel. So guys, as we can see, we have this PDF. We have some data, including tables. So as we can see, we have some tables in this PDF. So to convert this PDF file to Excel properly, open any web browser and search PDF to Excel. So here guys, you will see some website. You can try one by one and see the result for Excel. Some are free, like this website. So select your PDF and convert to Excel. Now open this Excel file. So as we can see, we have these all tables. So this is the way guys you can copy table to Microsoft Excel by converting your PDF file to Excel. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.